So, good evening and a warm welcome to one and all present here this evening on behalf of Mitra for Life to join us for the Navratri celebrations presented by the Youth Club at Mitra. I see a lot of new people in the audience who joined us and welcome you all. We strongly believe in the community coming together and would love for you to be a part of our community. Do look us up on mitraforlife.org for more details. So we recently introduced the Youth Club at Mitra, our very own online youth club for teenagers and young adults, with the aim for them to just hang out and have fun. So our sessions have included activity-based programs like art, fitness, fireless cooking, to name a few. And this evening session, of course, is open to all ages, parents, children, siblings, family, and friends, since we are celebrating Navratri together. I once again welcome each one of you to our celebration program. It is now my pleasure to welcome and introduce our guest this evening, Uma Iyer, who will be leading the celebrations. Uma is the mother of 16-year-old Anika, who is a part of our youth club. Being a special parent herself, Uma has been working with children with special needs for over 10 years in academic remediation. In academic remediation, yoga and fitness, dance, storytelling, and teaching shlokas, chants, and bhajans, among other things. Uma is a qualified special educator from IRC Bangalore and Madras Dyslexia Association. She has also completed a certificate course in physical and occupational therapy. Uma has also cleared 4 levels in the martial art form of Kalaripayattu and is learning Bharatanatyam as well. As you can see, she wears many hats, and we at Mitra are very happy to have her with us this evening. Uma has planned an interesting medley of programs this evening, ranging from shloka chanting, storytelling, bhajan, and of course some dandiya fun in the end. There is also a surprise performance for you all in between, so stay tuned for that. I now hand it over to Uma. Over to you now, Uma.
Thank you so much, Samyukta. And thank you, Team Mitra. I don't want to waste time in thanking each one of you. So it's a general thanks of Mitra team for giving me this opportunity. So this thought just came in my mind when I was planning the PPT for my children, my Shloka class children. I thought, why not be, this be spread to other children also, or taken it to the next level to other children also. So when I just shared this thought, and they were really very happy to take it up. So that's how the whole picture came up now. So without wasting much time, let's start. I feel, kids are already waiting. So we will be starting with an Om chanting. I'll share my slide.
Sadhan illara Om Seda. Sadhan. Om illara. Sadhan. Sadhan.
Huh? Uma, would you like them to be on mute or?
Yeah, I think that will be better because actually, we can just.
Yeah, request all of you to be on mute, please.
And please chant
we will start.
In your own.
So, first of all, we can have our hands in a chin mudra. So first is, what is chin mudra? Just join the pointing finger and the thumb like this, right? You're able to see me? Yeah. Hands in your chin mudras like this. Okay. And then keep it on your thighs. Keep your back straight, spine straight. Normal breathing. Okay. Just normal breathing 3 times. Oh. Oh. Slowly open your eye. Namaste all of you. We'll be starting with the Ganesha mantra. We all know that be it any celebration, be it Navratri or any puja, we start our prayers by praying Lord Ganesha. So we will be chanting a mantra on Lord Ganesha. This is how he looks. He has a long nose, the trunk part, and his face resembles the elephant's face. So that's how, because all the gods look similar. So I'm just explaining it to the children. Lord Ganesha has the face of an elephant with the big ears and the long trunk. And we pray him at the beginning to remove all the obstacles and give us good knowledge. So let's all pray Lord Ganesha first. I will teach you the shloka, and we will be doing the shloka with little bit of actions. You know, instead of sitting and just chanting, I thought we'll add a little bit of action so it will become interactive. So I'll be just teaching a very simple actions for that. Each line, you can sit and repeat it and just follow me doing these actions. And you can also do it, okay? So it is, first I'll chant it and then I'll go word by word, okay? It is Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta. Once again, see? Mushika. All of you join your hands like this. Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta. Okay? Once again. Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta. Next line. Chamara Karna. That is big ears, the big ears. Chamara Karna. Vilambita Sutra. Have you seen there is a sacred thread which our fathers will be wearing it? The punol we say, right? Vilambita Sutra. Join your thumbs like this. All of you join your thumb like a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, all of you. Now join it like this. Vilambita Sutra. Okay? Once again. Chamara Karna Vilambita Sutra. Okay? Vamana Rupa. Vamana is small. He's not a big, he's not tall. He's small. Okay? The short person. He's not a tall person. So, Vamana Rupa. Small, you can show like this. There are a lot of actions, but this I think our children can take it up easily. Small. How do you show small? Yes. Vamana Rupa Maheshwara Putra. Maheshwara is Lord Shiva. He is the son of Lord Shiva. So, Maheshwara Putra Vighna Vinayaka. Okay, remove all the obstacles. So, Vighna Vinayaka Pada Namaste. Okay, now we will say it from beginning. Okay. Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta. Chamara Karna Vilambita Sutra. Vamana Rupa. Small. Vamana Rupa Maheshwara Putra Vighna Vinayaka Pada Namaste. Okay? All of you got it? I hope everybody got it. Right? So we all prayed Lord Ganesha. Right? So now what's the festival going on? Can anybody tell me what is the festival that's going on for this 9 days? Surya, can you tell? Yeah?
Navratri festival.
Navratri, yes, Navratri. Can you name any other festival? What are the other festivals? Anybody can say.
Sharan Navaratri.
Ah, very good, very good. Yes. Yes.
Dashera.
Yeah?
Dashera.
Dashera, beautiful. Very good. That's nice. Okay, so we'll go. These are all, lot of festivals are there in India. Like we celebrate lot of festivals. Diwali, Dashera, Navratri, Pongal, Onam, Christmas, right? So right now we are celebrating Navaratri. Okay, so what is this Navaratri? We all need to know, right? Navaratri. That means what? 9 nights. Okay, 9 nights is called as Navaratri. Okay, 9 That is Navaratri is nights. That means 9 nights, meaning Navaratri. Okay? Okay. So what is it in Navaratri? What happens in Navaratri? We all need to know, right? We just said 9 nights. But what is happening in this 9 nights? We'll go about it. Okay. So there comes the story of Navaratri. So I'll quickly go through the story, but we are going to see the story in the form of a dance drama. Okay. So first I'll quickly go through the slide so that you get an idea about it. What is the story of Navaratri? Okay. There was a demon. You know what the demon is? An Asura. An Asura, he was named as Mahishasura. He was a bad person. Okay, he was not like a good person. He was a demon. Demon means he used to trouble everybody. He used to trouble all the people. So his name was what? Mahishasura. Kids, please listen. Okay, after this, Samyukta auntie will ask you a lot of questions. So his name was Mahishasura. Okay, and he troubled all the people. Okay, so this is how he looked, and he troubled all the people. He said, like, I am the strongest, so I will trouble all of you. Okay, so all the people, they were very scared, and they started praying God. Okay, so what did the gods do then? Gods requested Durga Devi to help the people and save them from Mahishasura. Okay, so that's how Durga Devi comes. And Durga Devi fights with Mahishasura for these 9 nights. Mahishasura is also a very powerful person. She could not defeat him in one day. She fought with him for 9 nights. And that is why we celebrate this as Navaratri. Each day she takes one avatar and then she tries to defeat him. And she defeated him on the 9th day. And that's why, and then she kills him on the 9th day. And the 10th day is celebrated as Vijayadashami. Especially in South India, we call it as Vijayadashami. In North India, it is called as Dashera. That is for a different story. I don't want to get into that. That's a pretty long one. So anyway, the 10th day is a celebration. That is the victory of the good over the bad. So always the good things will win, right? So this is what it shows about Navaratri. Okay. So now we are going to present the same thing in the form of a skit. Okay. Right. All of you are ready? Ready? Thumbs up.
Yes, this was the surprise element that she had promised us.
I don't know if it's going to be a surprise or what.
So let's sit back and enjoy this skit.
Yeah, thank you so much, Samyukta. 1 second. Yeah, so we'll go to this. The same story, we are going to see it in the form of a drama or a skit, a small, short skit. Okay, ready? 1 second.
Uma, I think you should stop.
I'm doing it.
Share. Yeah.
I'm doing it. Yeah. Just a second. Okay. Shh. Yeah, ready? There was a demon, an Asura, named Mahishasura.
No one can defeat me. I rule all the universe. Heaven and earth. I am the strongest. No one can kill me.
All the people were scared of him. He used to trouble them a lot. They were very scared of him and they started praying God.
God, please save us from this Mahishasura. We are very scared about him. Please save us, God. Please save us from this Mahishasura.
All the people started praying God to save them from Mahishasura's torture. Gods combined their power and gave birth to goddess Durga, who fought with this Mahishasura for 9 nights and killed him and saved the people.
Wow. Uma, but the Aigiri Nandini was not very loud.
Okay. It was not loud?
Yeah, did you share computer sound?
Oh, no, I
Was not heard.
Should I do that again? Should I do it again?
Yeah, if you can just check that, maybe it'll be nice if you can do that again.
I completely forgotten that. You could have told me in the beginning.
No, we didn't want to disturb the flow, so
We'll do it again, not an issue.
just you're from that part, no? That.
We'll do it, not an issue.
31.
Play break, no?
Yes.
ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दित मेदिनि विश्व विनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवर विन्ध्य शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कंठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते मधु मधुरे
Wow, that was amazing.
Okay now?
Yes, absolutely okay.
Yeah.
Excellent, Uma.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
I hope the kids understood it. So,
Ma'am, nice dance, ma'am.
So did everyone enjoy that dance?
I want
Nice
to
dance, ma'am.
Thank you so much. It's not about the dance, it's about you understanding the story. So that's what I wanted to tell. I just want to quickly introduce Mahishasura. Please come over. Such a cute Mahishasura, nobody would have seen actually. Such a cute Mahishasura. So he is the Karunesh. Which class are you studying? Introduce yourself.
7. I'm studying in 7th standard and Sri Chaitanya Techno School.
Such a cute Mahishasura. I told like you keep the mustache big so that people can
That was a great job, Karunesh.
Yeah, he learned it in actually he learned the sequence in just 2 days actually. Very nice.
Yes, wonderful, wonderful. We totally enjoyed it.
Yeah, kudos to his mother also, because she was also helping me out in getting those costumes and everything ready. So really, thanks a lot to the entire family, I should say.
Thank you, Karunesh. It was very nice.
Welcome.
Come, Jiva. Jiva, Jamuna, and Karunesh.
We cannot see them.
Yeah, she is sitting there. Karunesh mother. So
Yeah.
she was doing all the back end work for me.
Thank you so much for coming today.
She's also a special educator from KPMRC, actually. So anyway, so now we will move
So
on.
yes, that was wonderful. So like you said, I hope everybody got the story, and I think when you did it in a dance form, it was definitely more different.
Yeah, thank you so much. So I just wanted them to make them understand in different ways, not just by PPT. I thought in different forms, if we try to explain to our children, definitely they will be able to get it. It's not that our children can't get anything. So it has to be given to them in a different form. That's the only thing. So shall we move on? Shall we go ahead? Okay, so I will go back to my screen, the one. Yeah. So now we all saw that Mahishasura was killed by Durga Devi, right? So we'll be chanting the shloka for that. See, as I said, Goddess Durga Devi, she takes 9 different avatars. There is a shloka, but this is a little difficult. The first day she takes the form of Shailaputri. Second day is Brahmacharini. On the third avatar is the Chandraghanta, Kushmanda, Skandamata, Katyayani, Kalaratri, Mahagauri, and Siddhatri. So the 9 avatars of Durga Devi. So this will be a little difficult for the children. So I'm just telling them that there are 9 avatars. Okay. So we will be quickly chanting one of the shlokas. Since she is killed, okay, she is killed and she's defeated Mahishasura. The shloka that we chant for that, the Gayatri mantra is Om. This I think all of you can unmute and I'll say first and you all can try chanting. No problem. It's like Om. Om. Mahisha. Mardinyai.
Vidmahe.
Durga. Dhimahi. Tanno. Devi. Prajotayat. Yes, once again we will say, come on. Om. Mahisha. Mardinyai. Vidmahe. Durga. Devyaicha. Dhimahi. Tanno Devi. Prajotayat. Yes. So what is it stating? Mahisha Mardinye. Oh Goddess Durga, who killed the Mahisha. Mardinya is to kill. So who killed the Mahisha? We are praying her to give us all the courage, to give us all success. Okay. So Goddess Durga Devi gives us a lot of courage. That's why we pray her. So she was very courageous, right? To kill the Mahishasura. So we pray her, the one who killed the Mahishasura, oh Durga Devi, we pray you. That's what this means. Okay. So whenever you chant this mantra, it's going to give you a lot, it'll overcome all the fear that you have in your mind or your, and it'll give you a lot of courage. If you are feared or scared of something, you can always chant this mantra. Okay. Good. So shall we learn one more shloka? Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
Good. Thank you, Devesh. That's nice. Okay. Om. Once again. Om.
Om.
Girijaya. Vidmahe. Shiva Priyaya. Shiva Priyaya. Dhimahi. Tanno Durgi. Prajotayat. Yeah. In this, we are praying the goddess Durga. Again, this is also Durga Gayatri mantra. In this, we are saying Durga's another name is Girija. Okay, there are a lot of names. Durga, Parvati, Girija, these are all different names. Okay, and she is wife of Shiva or Shiva Priyaya. Shiva, God likes her, right? Shiva Priyaya. Dhimahi Tanno Durgi. Oh Durga, in the form of Durga, we pray you. Okay, once again. Om, please chant.
Om
Girijaya.
Girijaya
Vidmahe.
Vidmahe
Shiva Priyaya.
Shiva Priyaya
Dhimahi.
Dhimahi
Tanno Durgi
Prajotayat.
Super. Very nice. Super. Good job. Good job, all of you. Very good. So you learned the Ganesha Shloka, you learned the Durga Gayatri Mantra, you learned the Mahishasura Mardini Gayatri Mantra also. Okay? Very good. Very good. Okay. Now let's learn a bhajan. Too much of chanting happened. Let's learn a bhajan. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We all can. First I will sing it. Then you all can repeat after me. First you can mute. Now, right now you can mute and then I'll sing so that you can follow how the tune goes. And then you can start singing along with me. Okay? So it is like Shri Chakra. You all can clap. See, it is like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. First practice the clapping. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See, always in bhajan, why do we clap our hands? Clapping hands is actually going to stimulate all your left brain and the right brain. You know, it actually gives a lot of stimulation. So that's why, and it's very good. The clapping activity itself is very good. So what you can do, you can just do this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's try. Shri Chakravasini Devi Namaste. Shivakama Sundari Devi Namaste. Shri Krishna Sodari Devi Namaste. Raja Rajeshwari Devi Namaste. There are 2 paragraphs. I'll go with the first paragraph line by line. You got an idea? Now one by one I'll sing. Okay. Shri Chakravasini Devi Namaste. Now you can repeat it. Right? You can unmute. You can unmute and also try. No problem. Yeah. Very good. Shivakama Sundari Devi Namaste. We go line by line. Very good. Shri Krishna Sodari Devi Namaste.
Devi Namaste.
Raja Rajeshwari Devi Namaste. Very good, very good. Once again. Now we will sing, okay? Shri Chakravasini Devi Namaste. Very good. Shri Krishna Sodari Devi Namaste. Raja Rajeshwari Devi Namaste. Very good, very good. One more paragraph, shall we learn? Shall we all learn one more paragraph in this? Yes. Oh, Devesh is all ready. Okay. Same tune, but I will say once again. Then second time you all can repeat. First I'll say it, okay? Annapurneshwari Devi Namaste. Shri Vidyavaruni Devi Namaste. Shakti Shikara Devi Namaste. Raja Rajeshwari Devi Namaste. So all the names of the goddesses are coming here. See, she's a Shri Chakra. She stays she's in Shri Chakra. She's a Raja Rajeshwari, Shivakama Sundari, Annapurneshwari, Shri Vidya. Like she's the Rupa who gives us knowledge. Shakti, Sharada, all the names of goddesses are coming here. Okay? So we go like Annapurneshwari Devi Namaste. Repeat it. Shri Vidyavaruni Devi Namaste. Very good. Shakti Shri Sharade Devi Namaste. Raja Rajeshwari Devi Namaste. Very good, very good. Superb job. Good job, all of you. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Pardon? Yeah. Okay. Anybody would like to try? Anybody would like to try? I want to make it interactive. Anybody who wants to try the first para also, it's fine. If you like to try, Devesh? Interactive. Somebody wants to try the Maspera also. Yeah, try, no problem. Please make it.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yeah, start. Somewhere it's echoing, I feel.
Shri Chakravasari Devi
Others can mute.
Namaste. Shri Chakravasari Devi
Namaste.
No, Devish, you cannot mute. You should not mute. Then I can't hear you. People can't hear you.
Oh.
Yeah. Sing.
Shri Chakravasani Devi Namaste. Shiva Kama Sundari Devi Namaste. Shri Krishna Sodari Devi Namaste. Raja Rajeshwari Devi Namaste.
Very good. You want to try the next para?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can. I've played it. Yeah.
Annapurneshwari Devi Namaste. Shri Vidya Rupini Devi Namaste. Shakti Shri Sharade Devi Namaste. Raja Rajeshwari Devi Namaste.
Excellent. Excellent. A big round of applause.
Wow, that was great.
Lovely. Superb. Very nice. Good job. All the kids. Good job to all the kids. Everybody tried well. Superb. Very good. Okay. So now we all know why Navratri is celebrated. We know what is Navratri. We saw how Devi killed Mahishasura in the dance form also we saw, right? Now we know in different parts of India how it's celebrated. Like in North, one child said, right? It is called Dashera. That is Rama is killing Ravana, the victory of Rama over Ravana, because he is taking Sita from the custody of Ravana and bringing her back. So that's what is celebrated as Dashera in the North. In South, it is celebrated as Navaratri. In the East, it's celebrated as Durga Puja. And in the West, it is celebrated as Dandiya and the Garba. About Dandiya and Garba, I think Samyukta would say. So I'm not going much into detail. So this is how it is celebrated in different parts of India. Okay. Yeah, and under light, Golu light. Yeah. So in South India, how do we celebrate? I think everybody would have seen the Golu, right? One second.
Ritesh, both of you come here. Both of you come.
That. Yeah, so in the South, it is celebrated as Golu. This is Golu means they display a lot of dolls, God's dolls, and, all the dolls that is, even for Mahatmas, all the big Mahatmas like Vivekananda or Raghavendra and, Sai Baba, any kind of those dolls are also displayed. And mostly it will all be, the dolls are displayed here. So I just want to show you my house Golu so that you will understand about it better. I'll stop sharing the screen and I'll come back so that you'll be able to see. And this is how Golu looks. Okay, in South India, this is how we all celebrate. So you're able to see?
Oh yes, we are able to see it. Looks lovely.
Beautiful. Golu. Pinna in the light off. Have put some light.
Yes, now it is.
Yeah.
Very nice, Uma.
Yeah, very nice, Uma. Lovely.
1 second.
Beautiful, Uma.
And I put some display lights like these on the floor, so kids can have fun when they come. Some kind of sensory for them, no? So when they come home, so they keep looking at it, and then there is not much of behavior. They are actually totally engrossed by the time parents are getting them at the Vettala Pakku. So thought of doing some sensory stuff, so some kind of visual stimulation on that. So this is how kids, do you understand? This is what is called as Golu. And in southern India, this is how we celebrate Navratri. We call our friends and families, get together, everything happens. And every day we pray God in one different forms, and there are different colors for each day also. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Uma. That was a lovely
Yeah.
And
in the when you see the Gujarat side and all that, now it's like everywhere they are celebrating. They'll be celebrating the form of Dandiya and Garba. So about that, I think over to Samyukta about it.
So we'll next. I know all of you are waiting for the Dandiya, right? So the highlight event. So we will go into that. So before we start, I'll quickly give a small background about Dandiya and Garba and its significance, and also maybe show you small videos of how they actually do it. Okay. So Garba is a Gujarati folk dance performed around a centrally lit lamp or a statue of goddess Durga. And it's usually performed in a circle. You know, people dance in a circle as a symbol of time, which is cyclical. You know, time is always depicted as a circle. So that's how both Garba and Dandiya are danced. And Garba is performed just by clapping of hands and moving in circles. And it's traditionally performed by women, whereas Dandiya is traditionally performed by men and uses 2 sticks in the dance, you know, like this. And you have Dandiya sticks available everywhere now. I'm sure all of you have it also, some of you. So usually the men do the Dandiya. But in modern times, both these forms have kind of merged, and both men and women dance together in celebration of Navratri. Now let me quickly show you a sample video of a little bit of Garba and Dandiya, and then we can all dance as well along with them. Okay, let me quickly share my screen. Can you see? Garba, done only by women. And you can see hundreds of women are dancing in a big open ground. So it's a community celebration. All the women get together in the city and dance like. Okay, so this is the traditional Garba. Now let me also show you how modern day, how they are doing it. Yeah. Can you see my screen? Yeah. So this is how modern day Garba, you see both men and women are dancing together and enjoying themselves. So this also usually happens in a big ground, a playground or something. Everybody gets together and dances. Yeah, so let me now quickly show you a small clip of Dandiya, how that is done with the sticks. Okay. Yeah, just a second, Uma. get an idea now what's the difference between Garba, Dandiya, and how they're dancing with the sticks and not using the sticks, only the hands, everything? So great. So all of you get ready to dance now. Uma is going to teach us some simple steps. We can all dance along and enjoy the Garba.
Thank you. So we'll, hang on. So we'll quickly learn some few very simple steps I'm going to teach, and that is what you're going to repeat in the entire thing. And other things you can just copy, like, you know, we cannot teach the entire thing now, but simple steps only we are going to put. And it's going to be like people who don't have Dandiya sticks, don't worry, you can do the same thing with your hand. Okay, if you're going to do this and with a stick, like, you know, going to use a stick like this, you can do the same thing with your hands. So if you don't have a Dandiya stick, it's absolutely fine. You can do the same Garba. So it's going to be Garba, Dandiya, everything combination. There is no rules, there is no regulation. Just free flow, just free dance. Whatever step comes in your mind, just enjoy and dance and freak out. Okay, it's not like rule based. Okay, so the first step that I would be teaching you is, it's very simple. Okay, so it's like you just down, down, clap up, down. Yes, yes, correct. Try, all of you try. Clap up, down. This will all come in all the dance. It's not that it's going to go in this form or in this order, right? No, come on. And the next one is going to be like, you have your elbow. So it's like 1. Okay? Use your elbow. Like as if you're going to punch somebody, hit somebody with your elbow, how will you do? So just move and hit. That's it. Like this. Okay? And then that's on the both the sides. Yes? Circle. You can clear some space, and if you want, like, you can do this in the form of a circle also. Okay? So the first one, we'll be using some of these steps. So wherever I'm doing it, just follow and copy. And then this. Okay? And that can be done in circles also. Okay? The next is swing your arms. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like swing and clap. Swing, clap, swing, clap. Swing, swing, clap. Another way, clap, swing, clap, swing. Clap, swing, clap, swing. Whichever way. Got it? Yeah. So the fifth one, you can have this. Have down, down, down. Again on the circle, like how Samyukta explained. It's going to be in the circle. Okay? So it'll be like clap down, clap down. Okay? Got it? Fine. So let's start. I'll share the computer sound. Samyukta, this time I won't forget. Whatever. Okay.
सनन जाए रचिया गरबे की रात में चूड़ी खनकाई तूने आधी ही बात में
गरबे की रात पिया धड़के मेरा जिया कह देना आज तू है मेरे साथ उड़ी उड़ी जाए दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए कहने को तो खेल है ये तेरा मेरा साझा पर मेरा दिल है पतंग और तेरी नजर मांझा मांझे से लिपटी ये पतंग जुड़ी जुड़ी जाए
आई गई रात मन भूलो बदीवार प्रेमनिया मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनिया मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां जोगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे चल कुरमा पावो वाग्यो ने मारो सूतो सन्नेड़ा सन्नेड़ा बेथलपुर माँ सन्नेड़ा 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 सुन ले ओ चोरिया सन्नेड़ा सन्नेड़ा सुन ले ओ चोरिया सन्नेड़ा 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 नान सन्नेड़ा 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 नान सन्नेड़ा
राधे 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 ओ राधे 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 तेरे बिना कृष्णा तो लगे आधे आधे राधे 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 ओ राधे 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 तेरे बिना कृष्णा तो लगे आधे आधे
धिनकड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बेड़ी जरा खोल गाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय गाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय
रंग तारी तूने आंखें घुमा के जो मारी रंग तारी तूने आंखें घुमा के जो मारी धम धम बाजे बाजे धम धम बाजे बाजे
बाजे रे बाजे रे ढोली तारो ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे ढोल ढम 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 ढोल बाजे बाजे रे ढोल बाजे ढम 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 ढोल बाजे बाजे रे ढोल बाजे ढम ढम
उड़ेगी रे छम नाच राजे धमाधम ढोल बाजे नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा ओए नाचो सारे पापा पापा पीपनी पे आजा नया स्टेप सीखे नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा ओए नाचो सारे एक बस यही बात बोले रिपीट पे हाँ जैसा कोई कहा सन्नेड़ा सन्नेड़ा बेथलपुर माँ सन्नेड़ा 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 सुन ले ओ चोरिया सन्नेड़ा 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 नान सन्नेड़ा 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 नान सन्नेड़ा ढोलीना ढोल बाजे 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 रे तारा चौगीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जे तारी रात रे चौगीला तारा ओरे चौगीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जे तारी रात रे झमाझम नाच आजे धमाधम ढोल बाजे नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा ओए नाचो सारे अपनी फेमस है रात वाली यारियां जाले सारा जहां बेथलपुर माँ सुन ले ओ चोरिया झूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे कमर यार तारी कमर यार तारी कमरिया बेथलपुर माँ सुन ले ओ छोरिया झूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे कमरिया तारी कमरिया
बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय धिक तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बेड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय। अब चल आजा रे थर 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 हाँ कांपे थर थर हाँ डर डर जी से डर अब नाना बातों में बोला बोला रे बोला मोर बदला रे दिल का भूगोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय हे धिक तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बेड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय।
Okay, cool. Superb. Very, very good. How was it, guys?
Wow, that was energizing.
Wonderful.
Thank you. So I mean, it's like, too much of this negativity going on for the last 2 years. Even we have not celebrated actually.
Good job.
Like,
Yeah, so why don't you all tell us, how did you like the dance?
last 2 years, like, we have not been able to celebrate much because of the pandemic. And I think even within the families, we were not able to, enjoy the festivals and all that. So I thought like all the families should come together and enjoy. That was the main thing. Okay,
Thank you.
Yeah, good. So how was it?
Wonderful.
Thank you, Sita. Thank
Really enjoyed.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I liked it.
Oh, you liked it. Thank you, Ranga.
I liked it.
Thank you so much.
So all of you can dance every day. Just play some music and, you can do some positive dance like this. It will feel good after that.
In a group, it always feels more good.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's what, when we do it alone, even I don't feel it, it's like, come on. I was so excited that I'm going to meet all of you. And it's like, at least like this, we are able to meet and dance during this time. Good. Thank you so much.
Great. So I think we've come to the end of our session.
Shall we end with the Shanti mantra?
Yes, sure, Uma. Yeah, go ahead.
Since we did the shloka chanting and since it's a Navaratri time, so since we started with the Ganesha mantra, I want a proper ending to it. So if you are okay, then one small shloka, and it is very good for the peace and healthy, staying healthy and happy. Shall I do that? 1 second.
Ma'am, Superman.
I think we should all mute.
Yes. I request you all to mute, please. Yeah. So we did a bhajan, we did shlokas, we saw Dhandya, okay, Garbha, everything we did. And we saw a dance drama of how Devi killed Mahishasura. Okay, now we come to the last part. So since we all did a proper...
Ma'am, Superman.
Huh?
Super.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, thank you, dear. Okay. So now we come to the last part. This is to pray. Like everybody should stay healthy. Swastir is healthy. Shantir is with peace. Purnam is with fulfillment. And Mangalam is everybody should get, everybody, all good things should happen for everybody. So that's what this shloka means. Sarvesha means everyone. So I'll say the shloka and once again I will chant and you all can say it together. Okay. So first I'll say, all of you join your hands. Sarvesham swastir bhavatu. Sarvesham shantir bhavatu. Sarvesham purnam bhavatu. Sarvesham mangalam bhavatu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. All of you close your eyes. We'll end with an Om chanting. Okay, close your eyes. Om. Don't open your eyes. Sit quietly for a few seconds. Normal breathing. Don't open your eyes. Rub your palms. Keep it on your face. And now slowly open the eyes. Okay. Thank you so much, all of you.
मैम,
Yes.
मैम,
Yes.
हाँ, अनुष्का आपको कुछ बताना चाहती है, एक
हाँ जी
सरप्राइज।
बोलिए, हाँ जी बोलिए।
हाँ, एक मिनट मैम।
हाँ हाँ।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. Yes. Where is Anishka? Somebody wanted to. Yes, Anishka. Yes. What is it?
want to go with that.
1 second, I can't see.
One second, I'll just.
Oh, that's so lovely. What's that?
This is Batkama.
This is Batkama, ma'am.
What is it?
Is festival
Batkama is festival
celebrated
Okay.
in Telangana.
celebrated in Telangana.
Oh, thank you for the information.
It is
Very
a very famous festival.
Batkama
Batukama
is prepared
prepared
using
using
variety of flowers,
variety of nuts,
Oh,
and
we use turmeric
turmeric
to make
to make
Gauramma
Gaurama
and kept
kept on Batkama.
oh, nice.
Batkama
Thank you for the information.
we will बोलो अब बताओ मैम को. We take this Batkama
We take this Batkama
to temple
to temple
and
and
sing song
sing song
and dance
and then
around Batkama.
around Batkama.
Lastly,
we
बोलो आपू बोलो.
No problem. It's okay. It's
Lastly,
okay.
Can you show that again? What?
That's I think she has a thali of flowers. Even I
Yeah,
didn't know
the
that.
flowers. Okay.
Yeah, she has a thali
very
of
beautiful.
flowers. Yeah. So that is, I think what she said is, that's the goddess. They make it out of turmeric and then they take it to the temple and they dance around it.
गौरम्मा
So this is
बना
also-
के इसे
अच्छा अच्छा.
टेंपल से
Okay.
लेके जाते पूजा करके लास्ट में निमज्जन करते हैं.
Very good, very good. ये एक और information हो गया हम सब के लिए about Navratri. So this is one more information about Navratri which we got to know from one of the participants here. Even I never knew this was a surprise to me.
So
also.
this is done in the state of Telangana, is it?
Telangana. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Telangana.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you, Anishka.
Thank you, Anishka. That was so sweet of you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Thank you. Yeah. Over to Samyukta.
Yes. One second. I'll have to control him. He's about to leave the meeting. Yeah, so it was a wonderful evening. I think all of us enjoyed. And on behalf of Mitra for Life and all the parents and children here this evening, I'd like to thank our guest, Uma, for the wonderful celebration she put together for us today. It was indeed so festive, and I'm sure everyone enjoyed. One second.
Where did it go?
I also thank everyone in the audience for their wholehearted participation. Thank you all once again, and have a good evening and a great festival. So, how did you all feel? Give us all your...
It was good, ma'am.
Thank you, Devesh.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you to all the participants, and thank you especially again the team, my friend Jamuna and family, my parents, and of course the Almighty.
Yes, of course, and we thank
support that have been possible for me also. So of course.
Yes, Uma, of course, special thanks to your team of the drama. Really appreciate their participation in doing this for Mitra for Life this afternoon. Thank you for your time, and thank you to all the audience for attending. Have a great festival. Thank you and good evening.
Have a great festival.
Thank you, Uma.
Thank you,
Happy Navratri to all of you.
Thank you. I like traditional song, ma'am.
Happy Dasra, ma'am.
Happy Dasra, yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye from Uma and Jamuna.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye to everyone.
Thank you so much for the wonderful session, ma'am.
Yeah, bye from my team. Jeeva.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Enjoy the festival, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, thank you so much.
Thanks to Mahishasura.
Yeah, thank you, Mahishasura.
Thank you.
Yes.
Bye.
This is the real face of Mahishasura.
A cute one.
So cute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Yeah, bye-bye.
Thank you, Uma.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.